County in north central Georgia, northwestern Clayton County in north central Georgia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over College Park, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Atlanta, moving north at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, East Point, Forest Park, College Park, Hapeville, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Hartsfield Jackson Airport, West End, Turner Field, Cascade Heights, Lakewood Park, Sandtown, and Conley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 6 p.m. in Atlanta,